So it's great pleasure to be here. So today we'll be speaking about the future of AI and VR metaverse and how can we integrate these complex solutions in one single kind of ecosystem. So I'm representing two companies today. So firstly, AI Algorithm, it's my own company, and secondly, I'm also the CMO at Revolve Games. So I'll be speaking about both companies briefly. This is the AI algorithm solution. So why it's unique compared to what's in the market currently? Because we are cross-chain. So we have 6 chains, and then players in the game can switch in between the chains and make the transactions. Let's say they can send each other tokens on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and it's completely compatible and cross-chain. So we are redefining the music play-to-earn ecosystem and also introducing the virtual replica of the physical world, because our solution is allowing to replicate the physical world. Let's say we have on Google Map this address, so within a few minutes our AI is generating that same environment. It's a patented solution. I think it's very unique. I haven't seen similar, at least 100% similar product in the world. Next slide. So as we can see, the play-to-earn ecosystem is growing like crazy, with top players Axie Infinity reaching $1.3 billion revenue in 2021. But there is a problem with sustainability. So the long-term sustainability of the project is under risk, because people are quickly buying those Axies and then cashing out fast. So there should be some sort of sustainable solution that will keep players very engaged. So that's why we are introducing this new model. It's like Pokemon Go meets Sandbox and Facebook. So all together in one ecosystem is inside the AI algorithm. As I talked briefly about the long-term sustainability issues, also the same way we all got information about Decentralized lack of daily active users. So I think they are lacking the engagement and the retention mechanism inside the game. So let's talk also briefly about the second project, Revolve Games. So we are introducing very unique mechanisms for the players, because our NFTs are staked, tethered NFTs, meaning that every NFT that you play inside the game is tagged to our own native tokens. So every time you play, you should have some RPG native tokens to be able to generate those assets. So I think this is, again, some unique solution in the world level, because every time there's a demand supply, so the price will be towards kind of more favorable for the company, because every time you need to have some holdings of RPG to be able to play the game. So this is about them. We are introducing several products. Briefly about them, with stake-tethered NFTs. We have card game, Bones and Blade. We have Celestium Metaverse, and then we are also Layer 0 compact gaming Metaverse. And then finally, we recently got investment DAO integration as well. I talked about actionable NFTs, but there are also ownable NFTs there. So there are gonna be different skins of the playing players that you can own and trade, obviously using our own NFT marketplace that Revolve Games is creating. Investment DAO, it's another way of being part of the game development, right? If you are an early investor and you invested in the game, so you are allowed to kind of suggest some mechanism how to enrich the game in the early stages. So that also, even before the game is live, you are playing the limited beta version. This is also something interesting we recently came up with. This is about our card game. It's like a mixture of rock, paper, scissors game, and we added our own twist to that with with some staking tethered NFT rewards, as I told you. And this formula is also very unique. It's a multiplier of the levels that the player is reaching, and then multiply the rarity score, and then outstanding booster points, and then the staking RPG amount that you have. As we can see, every time the players need to have staking RPGs for it to be able to play. That's the unique model that we got there. We are also developing simultaneously our multiplayer role-play game. It's a third-person shooter game built in Unreal Engine. Right now, we have Celestium Firma, so that even before the game is live, people can go and start customizing and creating their lands in Celestium, Revolve Games. That's just a little bit about the recent statistics. As I said, even Decentralized is struggling with $1 billion company, but only 1,000 daily active users. I got this slide already covered. Yeah, so what's unique about our company is that also we are heavily using AI technologies inside the metaverse. So all these 3D items that you see in the metaverse are generated by AI. So we are requiring very small manual interaction from our team because the technology and the technical solutions are there already. So with just one tap of a button, in a couple of minutes, every object that you show me, we can easily recreate in 3D and put it in the metaverse. And then also, like, just digital fashion and all these items are tradable in the game. As we can see, it's a massive market, so total addressable market is estimated to be 546 billion. And given our current estimates, we think that we can service at least $180 billion out of that total addressable market. These are just kind of some visual representations of the applications that we got. So we have AI humans, we have AI art and AI generated worlds inside the metaverse. We have fully functional social media network, and then we have AI, AR application in the marketplace. So this is the comparison with other metaverses. So I think they are lacking a lot of features that we got. So just to summarize, all these features are adding, I think, extra utility. So what problems we got recently was that you buy NFT, but there's no utility behind. So we are trying to solve this issue by actually putting physical products behind the utility. So if there is a real estate, that building exists in reality. If there's any other kind of fashion, t-shirt, shoes or something, then it's gonna ship to your address physically. So that's the way we think these problems needs to be solved. This is just briefly about what type of NFTs we drop. It's by ultra rare NFT drops. We mean that we have several crypto OGs like Nick Panos and others already owning a land and having their businesses there. And then famous singers like Tim Salute and others. So they have dropped their ultra rare NFTs. This is 100% rare because nowhere else in the world you will find these NFTs. It's only in our metaverse and social media network. So I think that adds extra more utility, so players will be playing more. Some of the other benefits include, for passive players, they can rent their building to earn extra income. They can do some discount. They can have discount on our augmented reality marketplace, and also some more advanced advertising, like featuring them on the first page, etc. This is just the land pricing. It's not that important at this moment. So in future, future plans, and we finalized pretty much there. So in future, we are integrating also virtual reality headsets. So just like in a physical world, people can move virtually and make any type of transactions, but also backed up by the physical assets. So we're planning to collaborate with more gaming guilds and gaming hub, and then do massive team expansion. So we recently got around $600,000 funding, but this next round of funding is $1.5 million. So just this a bit too much information. Some of our partners. So I built also the world's second largest clubhouse club. That's the first one. Startup Battles, 56,000 members right now. There's a lot of celebrities are coming from there as well. We got also this NFT auction is famous as well. Zed Hovak, very famous NFT artist. And these are the partners of Revolve Games. So on Revolve Games, we got really very key high-level partners like Crypto.com, Chainlink, Chromia, and others. Thank you very much for your attention.